Kind of fun on a snowboard, huh? There you go. Nice. Powder day. Sweet, Malcs. Want to go straight or right? It's your call. Good. Keep your speed up. If you lean back a little bit in the powder, just a little. There you go. Gets the front off. Work. I think so. You're looking great. The powder just so nice today, huh? I think we might do a steeper one next run. Oh, brother. Let me give you a push.
No, I can't.
Okay. There you go. Okay, so last place to get speed, the big corner. Oh good, there's some tracks over here, that'll help. There you go, there's a fast spot, big corner. Backside turn. Good work, buddy. Get up that way into the less powdery stuff. Try to turn up the hill as we go. There you go. See this little track? Just kind of stay on that, it'll help. There you go. Try to be right on your heels, Malcs. Pick your toes up just a little bit and go back on your heels. There you go. Nice, Malcs. Little push?
No.
Alright. We're almost stopping and I know we got a long straightaway here. Ready? Let's go up the hill into that track. There. There you go. Another push. What's that? There you go. Nice. Backside edge turn. Got a little uphill here. Alright. There we go. Alright, bomb it. There you go, right back to the left and we're up again. Do the snowboard again?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah? This is perfect conditions to try the snowboard.
And I can turn.
Yep. Turning is helpful when you're going down the hill. That should get you there. Yeah, I'm not pushing anymore. You got it.